There are a number of water damage restoration options available to homeowners. Some of the best options are listed below. A company's reputation is crucial, and it's important to be sure that the company you choose is trustworthy. You should also ask about references and experience to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. When choosing a company, look for one that offers a master moment guarantee, which guarantees complete customer satisfaction. Before hiring a water damage restoration company, consider how serious the damage is. While light water damage may be handled by the homeowner, larger water losses will require the help of a professional. Flooding in the upper level can be dangerous and lead to mold growth. In addition, if the water doesn't get absorbed by a wall or ceiling, it can spread through the entire house, causing more damage. Regardless of the size of the damage, a professional can restore the home or business to its original condition. Experts in water damage restoration can help you get your home back to normal quickly. First, they'll assess the damage. If you're not able to assess the damage yourself, the water may have caused irreparable damage. Then, they'll help you remove the water and repair or replace any damaged materials. A water damage restoration project can be simple or extensive, depending on the extent of the damage. The best choice for your property will depend on the size of the problem and the amount of moisture present. A company that provides water damage restoration services will remove the water and muck from your home and return it to its pre-loss condition. The best companies will assess the amount of water and the amount of damage. Ultimately, you can expect your property to be back to its original condition quickly. But it's important to act quickly. The longer you wait, the more extensive the damage will be. If you wait any longer, it can result in the creation of more mold and mildew. A water damage restoration service will assess the extent of the damage and recommend the best solution. These services will include water and sewage removal, professional cleaning, dehumidification, and dehumidification. Afterward, they will help you rebuild the affected areas. Often, the water damage restoration process involves a lot of water and sewage. The cleanup process is necessary, and a professional company will help you with the entire process. A water damage restoration company should be certified by the ECIRC. The ECIRC has clear standards for water damage professionals. An experienced company will follow these standards. The best companies will provide you with a work document indicating the exact extent of the damage and the estimated cost. They should also be able to answer any questions you have. If you need them to be at your property immediately, they should come at your home within a few hours. A water damage restoration company should follow 5 basic steps. It begins with a detailed assessment. The company will use advanced tools and equipment to identify damages and determine the best way to get the job done. The technician should use moisture detectors to find where the standing water is located and how to eliminate it. The technician should also use industrial quality dehumidifiers and air movers to dry the area. Then, the water damage restoration team will begin the drying process. Mitigation is another important step in water damage restoration. A professional will carefully assess the extent of water damage and work with your insurance provider to file a claim. The goal of this process is to minimize the risk of future damages and prevent mold growth. When the property is completely dry, it is time to start the restoration process. The company will also make sure the property is safe for occupants. It is advisable to hire a water damage restoration company with a good reputation. Water damage mitigation is not a DIY project. A restoration company needs to assess the situation and determine the level of damage. It may also recommend a specific product to be used. Typically, a water mitigation company will remove any mold and disinfect the affected surfaces before they start the restoration process. If there is a mold problem, the restoration team will be able to remove it and clean up the affected area. These companies also have a 24-hour call center.